How to convert JPG to PNG on your phone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to convert your image type on your Android device. Let's just get started. Open up Google Chrome or any other web browser, and then you basically have to search for image converter. Once you have done that, search for it. Go to the first link that you see, free converter. Tap on choose files. I'll just select from device. I've selected the image here, which is a PNG, and let's say if I want to convert it to JPEG, I can just select that, or any other outputs here as well. Once that is done, you can just go ahead and tap on convert, and your image will now be converted. Once the conversion is finished, you can just tap on download to download the image. I'll just tap on download again, tap on open, and as you can see here, the image has been converted into a JPEG. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.